Hello everyone, myself Sharada Alok. I have been teaching chemistry at Resonance from past 10 years, guys. So welcome once again. A very warm welcome to you all, guys. At your very own channel, Let's Crack NEET UG in English. Guys, today's topic is, yes, can you tell me? It is there on the screen. Ozone. Yes. You got it correctly. Now we are going to study ozone in this video, in this class, or you can say in this class, we are going to study ozone. So before we start the class, do one thing, share the link to all your near and dear ones, guys, without any delay, so that they also can be the part of this wonderful class this evening. We're going to cover ozone from all aspects, including NCERT, so that this particular topic is totally covered from NCERT point of view. One line, each and every word of NCERT is decorated in the form of slide on the screen, guys. Yes, I've done a lot of hard work to this. Therefore, share to all your friends so that they also can watch it. And remember, guys, we are going to cover every aspect from which the questions can be asked, whether you talk about board examination or you talk about NEET. Okay, and all those who are preparing only for J mains or advanced, they also can watch it. So do one thing, share the link for the video to all your friends. Okay, guys. Okay, we're soon going to start the class. How you can get connected to us? Let me tell you first of all that, guys. First of all, go to the Play Store, download Unacademy learning app, and then just, guys, click on to NEET UG. Okay, and then before you take the subscription, guys, before you take the subscription, let me tell you the benefit of taking plus subscription. Guys, here you'll be getting daily live classes in which you are going to be taught by the top educators. You can chat with your educator, you can engage in discussion, you can ask your doubts, and yes, you can answer the poll. Okay, the poll is going to be based on the topic being taught on the screen. This is basically a kind of quiz, you can say, where question related to the topic on the screen by the educator will be asked to you. Okay, guys, and yes, very soon after that you'll be discussed. The educator is going to discuss the question as well. Your topic is going to become concrete. Yes, concrete, crystal clear preparation for the topic is going to happen, and very soon after that you'll be getting your rank in the form of leaderboard on the screen as well, guys. So along with that, you'll be having live tests and quizzes as well, which is going to evaluate your preparation on a regular mock test basis, guys. And these quizzes are not going to evaluate your academics, guys, but also, guys, also going to add what? Yes. It is going to add to your IQ. In fact, it is going to sharpen your IQ, guys. Not only that, it is also going to reduce your negative marking. Why? Because in a limited time period, you are supposed to answer the particular question, isn't it? Then what do? You actually plan for the question. You think over the question and then you answer. And guys, you will be getting referral points if you perform well in the quizzes, out of which you can buy any of the courses running at an academy platform of your choice. Along with that, you'll be getting structured course, guys, which is precisely designed by the top educators and definitely going to help you for your preparation, all in line towards the target. So just take one subscription and get access to all our live and recorded courses to watch from the comfort. Yes, guys, you can watch them all from the comfort of your devices you have. This iconic subscription has been recently launched by Unacademy, guys, where you'll be getting personal coach, in which you are going to get a one-on-one guidance from top exam expert. Remember, you are going to get one-on-one guidance, guys, from top exam expert. that is going to align your preparation strategy as well. Not only that, you'll be getting an in-depth test analysis with personalized feedback, which is definitely going to improve your time management and exam approach as well. Altogether, it is going to ace your preparation with customized study plan. You are going to get a bi-weekly reviews, which is definitely going to highlight your progress. Not only that, you'll be getting live classes from top educator just by taking this iconic subscription, guys. You'll be getting live classes from top educator. You'll be getting mock tests and quizzes. You can win referral points, out of which you can buy any of the courses running at Unacademy. You will be getting structured batch course very much in line with the exam syllabus. Yes, guys, you heard me correct. So whether to go for plus subscription or the iconic one, this must be the question going on in your mind, right? I just want to tell you that, guys, whatever you are going to get under plus subscription, you'll be getting under iconic one as well. But these are the iconic, additional iconic features. Whether you talk about personal coach, the top educators as your personal coach, study planner, expert guidelines, and of course, in-depth test analysis. So, guys, how much you have to pay for iconic subscription? Let me tell you. For 1 year, you'll have to pay 45,000. That is coming around 3,750 rupees per month. For 2 year subscription, you will have to pay 61,000. That is coming around 2,542 only. So, guys, don't forget to apply this referral code of mine SE10 in order to avail some extra perk. Once you take the subscription, I'll let you know all about that. Don't delay in taking the subscription as the prices are going to rise soon, guys. Yes, yes, yes. The prices are going to rise soon, so don't delay any longer. Guys, this is all about on the screen regarding the plus subscription. You can see right from 1 month to 2 years subscription are there on the screen. I would be recommending you, if you are in 12 or dropper, you must go for this 1 year subscription by paying 27,000. That is coming around 2,250 rupees per month. And if you are in 11, you must go for this 2 year subscription by paying 32,400, which is coming around 1,350 rupees per month. Yes, you heard me right. It is coming around 1,350 rupees per month. Anjali Desi Nidhi, hello beta. Nice to see you back. How are you, dear? Nice to see you back. Because there is no point in going for 1 month, 3 month, or 6 month. This is good as long as you're planning for the crash course. And remember, 6 month, 12 months, and 24-month subscription are also available at no cost EMI, guys. So don't forget to apply this referral code of mine in order to take the subscription, and also with the discounted prices. And one more thing, you'll be getting some additional perk, especially coming from my side, which you'll come to know once you take the subscription. Taking this code, applying this code of mine, SA10. So nice to see you, beta. So nice to see you. All those who are watching, do share. Do share the link of the video to your near and dear ones, so that they also should be benefited by it. And secondly, guys, secondly, what? If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe it. If you have not pressed the bell icon, do so in order to have further notification without any delay. So, guys, let us start with ozone. Let us start with ozone. Once again, I'm giving you few seconds to share the link to all your contacts, especially those who are studying for board examination, who are preparing their half-yearly, who are preparing their board examination, who are preparing targeting for NEET 2021, who are preparing for J mains, who are preparing for advance. You can share this to them as well. Okay, guys. Okay, all those who are in 12, they must study this, because this might be boring, but very, very scoring, guys. Really, it might be boring to you, might seems boring, but very, very, very scoring, guys. Yes, you heard me right. It seems to be boring, but very scoring. And I'm going to make it very, very interesting for you guys. So, ozone means what? Ozone, O3. Yes, oxygen molecule plus one more oxygen atom is what? Ozone. Is that clear? Those who are watching, do like the video, do share the video. Now, guys, Now you can see there is a double bond over here between the two oxygen and one more oxygen because its valency is 2. So what it does, the lone pair, there is again a lone pair over here and another lone pair is donated to this oxygen. So there is a dative bond. Guys, remember there is a double bond, covalent bond here, and between the two oxygen there is a double bond, and to another one there is a dative bond like this. And guys, there is a covalent bond over here. Is that clear? Those who are watching, do share the video to all your near and dear ones. I mean, class 12 students, of course. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? Come on, let's study this in detail. First of all, let us study the structure. Come on, guys, we are going to cover all the aspects of NCERT. All the aspects of NCERT from where the question have been asked or the question can be asked. And yes, from NEET point of view, okay, guys, okay. All those who are preparing for JEE means also you'll be getting questions. Don't worry. If you are preparing for JEE Advanced as well, this is going to help you there as well. Don't worry, guys. If you're watching it, okay, it's very good. Come on, share the link to your near and dear ones as well. First of all, guys, it is very, very clear from here that there is a double bond over here. And remember, the two structures are very much in resonance with each other like this. Is that clear? The two structure is very much in resonance with like this, guys. And always remember, the dt bond is coming from the central atom towards the corner one. Therefore, the formal charge on the central atom will be plus, and that on the corner one will be minus. This is actually how dt bond is shown, isn't it? This is how dt bond is not dating, dative bond is shown. Is that clear? Okay, yeah, you can see it is dating with the ozone molecule. Isn't it funny? It is, but very, very important as well, guys. Just have few sip of water. All your eyes on the screen now. All your eyes on the screen now. So the two structures are very well in resonance with each other like this. Okay, guys, clear? Now, what is learn here is to learn the bond angle. Remember, guys, this seems actually partial double bond like this because of the resonance. Okay, now the bond angle. Now the bond angle, very, very easy to learn. Anamika Gaur, welcome to see you back. Welcome to the class, and really, really, really happy to see you back. Happy to see you, beta. All your eyes on the screen now. The bond angle, guys, the bond angle is very easy to remember. 116. Frija, welcome and happy to see you back. Beta. Happy to see you back, all you guys. Come on, those who are watching, do share the link. Do like the video. If you are watching the channel for the first time, do subscribe it. And yes, don't forget to press the bell icon in order to have further notification. Ma'am, red color is not visible. Koi baat nahi. We are not going to use it. All fine now. We are not going to use the red color any longer. Happy? Let me clear all red color now. I'm using the white one. Happy, dear? Happy? Okay, so nice of you. I've changed the color. Happy? So, guys, the bond angle here is bond angle here is 116 degree point 49 minutes. So if you recall 116, you will able to click the correct answer. Don't worry. So how to recall it? Oxygen belongs to which family? I mean, which group? 16 group. Okay, add 100 to that. Add 100 to that. Done. So 116. Are you going to remember the bond angle forever? Yes, 116. 116. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? Are you going to remember it forever? Do let me know in the chat box. Okay, do let me know in the chat box. 116 is the bond angle over here. That's really nice of you. That's really nice of you guys. All your eyes on the screen now. So guys, what about the bond length? Because it is partial double bond, guys. Okay, okay. The bond length is 1 point, either 3 angstrom you can write or 1.27. So make it roughly 1.3 angstrom. Shubhu Subramaniam, Shubhaya Subramanyam. All guys are going to recall the remember the bond angle forever. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. All those who are watching, do like the video, do share it also. So, guys, how to recall the bond angle? 1.3 angstrom, 3 for 3 ozone. I mean 3 for 3 oxygen of ozone. So here it is 100 plus 16, where 16 belongs to the group. Bond angle is 116. Bond length is 1.3 angstrom. Is that clear? Are you going to forget the bond length and the bond angle? No. Well done. Those who are going to recall it, do reply in the chat box. Wonderful. I just love this. Love this reply, quick reply from all you guys. Okay. So, guys, the structure of ozone is clear. This is the resonating structure. Let me take the blue color over here. Guys, this is how the resonating structure, the Lewis dot symbol for the resonating structure is represented, and this is how the bond and the charge is represented. This is how the resonance hybrid of ozone is represented with a partial double bond. The bond angle is 116. The bond length is roughly 1.3 angstrom. Is that all clear? Aage badha jaye. So this is all about the structure. Remember, in NCERT it is all given very clearly, and I made it very strong memory, isn't it? With all the easy trick, whether you talk about the bond angle 116, 16 is the group number of oxygen, isn't it? Bond length is 1.3, as they are in resonance. They are in resonance, so the bond length will be 1.3 angstrom only. Now, 343 oxygen atom. Is it all done? So, NCRT point of view, how many questions are asked or can be asked on this? First, the Lewis structure. Lewis structure of ozone. Hello, beta. Sorrel Auli, Owl, Mohammed Sorreal Owl. Hello, beta. Welcome to the class. Really nice to see you all, guys. All those who are watching, do like, and do share, and do subscribe the channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon too. So, guys, the first NCRT aspect is to write down the Lewis dot structure of ozone. Then the resonating structure, resonating Lewis symbol of structure, the second one. Third is the exact representation of the charges, formal charges, pi bond and sigma bond. Fourth is the bond angle and bond length and the structure of resonance hybrid. Okay, is that clear? पता है चौरियाल is saying, Auli is saying, मैं नया बच्चा हूँ. Welcome बच्चा, welcome to the class. I know beta, I know you are नया बच्चा. That is the reason I told you to subscribe the channel, to press the bell icon. Isn't it? Isn't it? And those who have not shared the video so far, do so. Do so, guys. Okay, and do like the video as well. Is that clear? So structure, all aspects of structure of ozone are covered here. Covered here. Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now, guys, preparation of ozone. Remember. Ozone is prepared by passing. I'm repeating. It is prepared by passing. What? Yes, silent. It is prepared by passing. Let me take a white pen. It is ozone is prepared by passing silent. Hello, Kalayar. So nice to see you. Yeah, B. Welcome to the class. Welcome back, and really nice to see you there. Really nice to see you. So, by how ozone is prepared? By passing silent. Passing silent electric discharge through pure and dry oxygen. Hi. Hello, beta. Is that clear, guys? So, how ozone is prepared? It is prepared by passing silent electric discharge through pure. It should be pure because other byproducts will also maybe form then. And it should be dry. Electricity is there, so has to be dry. Isn't it? Electricity is there, has to be dry. Is that clear? Through oxygen. Now, what will happen, guys? This oxygen is going to prepare what? Yes, the it is going to prepare nascent. Oxygen is going to prepare this. Oxygen molecule is going to prepare nascent oxygen like this after getting passed through electric discharge. Silent electric discharge means beta actually what? Slow. It should not what? If it is silent electric discharge means it should be it should be smooth one, isn't it? It should be smooth one. And also what? Also what? It should come on a regular basis. And remember, it should be dry. Electric discharge is there. Okay, guys. And how? Where it the setup? How the setup looks like? Let us see that. The setup looks like that, where you can see outside tin foil. Okay, outside there is a tin foil. Okay, guys, outer glass tube. There is a glass tube. This is basically a glass tube. Thank you, Chorial Oli. Okay, very nice, very nice. Thank you, Bida. Come on, share to all your friends. Thank you so much, Bida. I like it. Guys, this glass tube is there. Okay, to this glass tube you can see there is an outer tin foil and there is an inner tin foil as well. Okay, guys, outer tin foil, there is a tin foil outer the glass tube as well as inner glass tube. And what has happened? Electric discharge between inner and outer tube is produced. Okay, electric discharge is going to produce what? Between inner and outer tube, it is going to produce what? Ozonized oxygen. The oxygen which is coming out over here is called as what, guys? Is called as what? It is called as what? Do let me know. Ozonized oxygen. Is that clear? Okay. So nice of you. Come on, all your eyes on the screen, guys. All your eyes on the screen. And if you have not shared the lecture link for the lecture, guys, do so. Okay, is that clear? Is that clear, guys? Come on. And one more thing, all those who are watching it for the first time. Okay, guys, all those who are watching it for the first time, do subscribe the channel. Very good evening, Ritik. How are you, dear? How are you, dear? And always remember, guys, remember that here what is happening? Silent electric discharge is being passed through pure and dry oxygen. You can see this is the glass tube. Outside there is a tin foil, inside there is tin foil, and from this is inner side electric discharge. Okay, between inner and outer tube actually produces ozonized oxygen. This oxygen has to be very pure and dry as well. Okay, the silent electric discharge actually means what? Actually means what, guys? It is an inaudible because silent, so what? Inaudible, done. Electric discharge in air at very high voltage. The voltage is very high, and remember it consumes a large amount of energy. The voltage is somewhere around 10,000 to 20,000 volts. Remember, it is inaudible voltage at very high voltage is there. How much voltage? Inaudible and high voltage. How much? 10,000 to 20,000 volt. Okay, guys, very high energy is required over here. So, how the reaction is written over here, guys? How it is written? Oxygen gas is converting into ozone in presence of silent electric discharge at a very, very high voltage. Is that clear? All those who are watching it, do like the video. Do like the video, do share it. Okay, guys, do like and do share it. So, guys, it is all clear. And this is the energy over here. Is that clear, guys? So, this is how ozone is produced by silent electric discharge. Remember, it has to be pure and it has to be dry because electricity is there, therefore, it has to be dry. All done. And remember, guys, this is very, very important from NCERT point of view, like how it is produced. Okay, okay, guys, all clear now. Let us go ahead. One more important thing which is required to be told over here, and that is why, guys, that is why this is ozonized oxygen. What does that mean? What is the meaning of this ozonized oxygen? Actually, this is, guys, this consists of 5 to 10%, 5 to 10% ozone. Is that clear? By volume. Okay, that is the reason it is called as ozonized oxygen. Is that clear? Now, how do we get higher concentration of this ozone then? Because this is only 5 to 10%. Very, very important, guys. What is the meaning of ozonized oxygen? One of the question can be asked over it. What do you mean by ozonized oxygen? Remember, guys, ozonized oxygen basically consists of 5 to 10% ozone by volume, and the rest is what? Rest is oxygen. Is that clear? Is that clear, guys? Come on, is that clear? All those who are watching it, do share the video faster and do like it as well. How do we concentrate the ozone? Let us see, guys. Remember, this ozonized oxygen is further concentrated by fractional liquefaction. Subramaniam is all getting it and saying, okay, yes, ma'am. Well done, beta. Well done for watching it with this concentration. Well done. I hope you all guys are watching it with this concentration, being all your eyes on the screen. So, guys, what is done? How it is concentrated? By fractional liquefaction. This 5 to 10% ozone by volume is concentrated by fractional liquefaction. Okay, okay, is that clear, guys? Is that clear? All done. Now, guys, remember, question can be asked, what is the meaning of ozonized oxygen? 5 to 10% ozone by volume is ozonized oxygen. And how it is concentrated? How it is concentrated, guys? It is concentrated by fractional liquefaction. By the time you just have a look at the screen, I'm just trying to have few sip of water. Okay, guys, all your eyes on the screen. Hope it is very well cleared. Fractional distillation नहीं बेटा, fractional liquefaction, fractional liquefaction. Okay, थोड़ा थोड़ा करके liquefy करके ozone, because ozone, yes, ozone is what? Ozone on cooling gets liquefied easily in comparison to oxygen. So gradual liquefaction, okay, in small amount is done. Done. It is clear, beta. Is this clear? Subramaniam ji, is it clear? Do let me know. Otherwise, I will go to the next screen. Is it clear? Is this clear? Do let me know faster. Fractional, okay, it is all clear. Fractional liquefaction, because it is easy to liquefy ozone in comparison to oxygen. So gradually it is liquefied and concentrated. Done. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Physical properties of ozone, guys, this is very, very important as per NCERT is concerned. Ozone is, physical properties are very, very important. Let us see how. First of all, guys, first of all, you can see that how the what color it is over here? Blue. Yes. Ozone, dark blue. Remember, guys, ozone is a dark, सब कुछ ब्लू ब्लू है स्क्रीन पे इसलिए ओजोन इज अ डार्क ब्लू गैस क्लियर clear guys and it forms a blue liquid on cooling that is the reason it is separated it is concentrated by yes concentrating 5 to 10% ozone by volume is concentrated by fractional liquefaction because on cooling guys it forms blue liquid on cooling. Is that clear? Is that clear? This is second physical property, guys. And on solidification, yes, guys, ozone can be solidified. On solidification, all your eyes on the screen. On solidification, it forms violet black crystal. It forms violet black crystal. How to recall this? Guys, it is blue liquid. Okay. Blue liquid won't solidify. That violet color will be so condensed, that blue violet color will be so condensed that it will give a aura of black. Therefore, it is said that on solidification, it looks like violet black crystal because you must have heard that if something like something which is lighter yellow when it is dispersed, when you condensed it, it becomes darker. The same way it looks like over here. If you talk about KMNO4 crystal, the solution looks like pink, but the crystal looks like dark blackish purple, isn't it? Same way over here. Blue liquid, dark blue gas, and on solidification, that it gets a tinge of violet black. Okay, okay, is that clear, guys? Is that clear? Is that clear? Further concentration. Anjali Desnidhi, by further concentration, on gradual concentration, it gets, yes? Yeah. Okay, all clear, beta? Your answer is cleared? Further concentration, it gets solidified. Come on, guys, come on, come on. On further cooling, because gradually you are cooling it, it will get solidified. Okay, okay, guys. Now, guys, now why the color is dark blue? Very, very important. Why the color is dark blue? Because it absorbs intense red light. Because why it looks like dark blue? Due to absorption. Yes, complementary color, isn't it? Due to absorption of intense red light. Beta, this is a question asked in NEET. So be prepared. The one which looks blue, actually, why does it looks blue? Because it has absorbed a complementary red color. Intense red color is absorbed by it. Is that clear? If it is clear, do like the video. Do share it if you have not done so. All your eyes on the screen now. Okay, guys. Okay. Now the next one. Remember. It absorbs. What does it absorbs? Let me change the color of the pen now. It absorbs. Yes, it is there. Ozone layer. It absorbs what? It absorbs strongly. I want the answer in the chat box. What does it absorbs? Ozone layer. What is the role of ozone layer, guys? Yes, it absorbs what? Wonderful. Shubhai Subramaniam has answered it. It absorbs UV. It absorbs strongly what? UV, ultraviolet light, and therefore, guys, therefore, it protects the people on earth from the harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Is it wonderful? So many answers, so many answers. So nice to see all these answers. Really wonderful. Okay, guys. Okay. Now the next, guys. Remember. Unlike oxygen, it is toxic. Oxygen is what? Life-saving gas. Very useful for life. But ozone is toxic. Okay. Okay, guys. It is extremely oxidizing in nature. So that makes it toxic somewhere. Isn't it? And remember, guys, this is slightly soluble in water. Then where it is soluble, very very important guys, this is soluble in or absorbed in, okay, where? Turpentine oil. Very very important, very very important guys. This is how actually ozone is stored. It is absorbed in alkaline turpentine. Okay guys, this is basically, sorry, not alkaline, alkaline pyroglycerol में तो ऑक्सीजन एब्जॉर्ब होता है, sorry, turpentine or cinnamon oil. Cinnamon oil, very very important guys. Ozone is absorbed in turpentine or cinnamon oil, or it is also absorbed in glacial acetic acid. Very very important guys. It is also absorbed in carbon tetrachloride. Remember, it is absorbed in turpentine oil. It is also absorbed in cinnamon oil. It is also absorbed in glacial acetic acid, or you can say it is soluble in glacial acetic acid, carbon tetrachloride guys. Very very important guys, very 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 important. And how it is stored? It is stored in turpentine oil basically, because that is very cheaper. It should be cheaper as well, isn't it? And easily ozone can be it can be taken out also. When you need ozone, it can be easily taken out from turpentine. Therefore it is stored in turpentine also. How to recall that ozone is stored in T for turpentine? Guys, ozone, how do we write ozone? O3. Okay, this T for what? 3. This T for turpentine. याद रहने वाला है. How does this ozone stored in? Because guys, because most of the time we always get confused. But just now I got confused. I use the term what? Pyroglycerol. Alkaline बोल दिया था मैंने. Because alkaline pyroglycerol में तो oxygen store होता है. Okay guys, this turpentine guys, remember turpentine में क्या store होता है? Ozone. How to recall this? How to recall this? O3. Always write ozone as O3. Glacial acetic acid means CCl4. नहीं बेटा. सुबह is asking मैम glacial acetic acid का मतलब CCl4 होता है क्या? बेटा glacial acetic acid मतलब होता है acetic acid, जिसको dilute करके vinegar बनाते हैं, और carbon tetrachloride is another solvent. Clear बेटा? सुबह Subramaniam, is it clear? Do let me know in the chat box. So are you going to recall this T for 3? Ozone 3, O3, we write 3. So that T is for turpentine. That T is for turpentine. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? Okay, all those who are watching it, do share it, do like it, do subscribe it, and do press the bell icon also. Okay, guys. Okay, is that clear, guys? Is that clear? आगे बढ़े. Now, guys, this O3 is again, unlike oxygen, it is diamagnetic. It is diamagnetic. Oxygen is what? Oxygen is paramagnetic. Oxygen is paramagnetic, and this one is diamagnetic. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? Okay, let us go ahead. So this is all about physical properties of ozone, guys, which is very very important. Let's have a quick revision. It looks dark blue because it absorbs intense red light. On liquefaction it becomes blue liquid. On solidification it further get tensed dark black violet. It absorbs strongly UV light, therefore it protects us from harmful ultraviolet radiations from sun. It is unlike oxygen, it is toxic. Unlike oxygen, it is diamagnetic. Okay guys, it is slightly soluble in water. It is absorbed in turpentine oil. It is also absorbed in cinnamon oil. It is soluble in glacial acetic acid. It is also soluble in carbon tetrachloride. If it is soluble in water, why not store in water? Subhay Subramaniam has got a wonderful question, beta. Really, the question is wonderful. He is saying that, ma'am, if it is soluble in water, why not it is stored in water? Remember, guys, remember, it is slightly soluble in water. So only a small amount of it is going to be, dissolved over there. Is that clear? But its solubility is much more in turpentine oil. Therefore, it is stored in turpentine oil. Is that clear, dear? Is that clear, Subhai Subramanyam? If it is clear, do let me know in the chat box. Now, guys, ozone as oxidizing agent. Remember, this is very, very, very important, guys, from NCERT point of view. This type of question, so many question has been asked in NCERT, like as oxidizing agent, and also this is there in mole concept. This is an important part of mole concept as well, guys, in redox reaction. So all your eyes on the screen, guys. This acts as a very good oxidizing agent in acidic medium as well as in basic medium. Very, very important. So all your eyes on the screen. In acidic medium, let us see how does it react. H plus, because acidic medium has to gain 2 electron, and this forms what, guys? Because it is acting as oxidizing agent, so itself it will reduce to O2. Is that clear? Is that clear? And it will form H2O. Okay, guys, is it clear? In acidic medium, this acts like this, guys. And remember, in acidic medium, its SRP, standard reduction potential, is 2.01 volt. Okay, and in basic medium, guys, in basic medium, ozone reacts with H2O and turns into O2. Is that clear? Because and 2 electrons and turns into O2, and along with that, because it is in basic medium, has to be balanced by OH. So this is how it reacts in basic medium as oxidizing agent. In both the case, guys, it gets reduced to oxygen. Okay, okay. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? This reaction takes place in acidic medium, and here it takes place in basic medium. But remember, in basic medium, the SRP is just half, that is 1.24 volt. It is here, it is 2.07. In acidic it is 2.07. In basic it is less. The SRP is less to 1.24. 1.24. Is that clear? How to recall this? In basic medium, bun, bun, BAN, bun. याद रहेगा? Bun is actually for 1.24. Okay, volt. I hope you guys are not going to forget this. Okay, guys, all your eyes on the screen now. So ozone as oxidizing agent, it's clear. It acts as oxidizing agent. Okay, strong oxidizing agent. Remember, guys, it acts as a strong oxidizing agent in acidic medium. It reacts. So is that clear? Is that clear? Okay, guys, it reacts as oxidizing agent and strong oxidizing agent, in which case in acidic medium. Why? Because standard reduction potential is more in acidic medium. Okay, so in acidic medium, this acts as strong oxidizing agent. Is that clear? In basic or alkaline medium, this, because SRP is lesser, 1.24 volt, so it is not that strong oxidizing agent. Is this clear? All done. Now let us see the example where it acts as strong oxidizing agent. For that, let me erase the ink on the slide. But before that, just take a screenshot. By that time, I'm having few sip of water. Now, guys, just look at this. It oxidizes I minus to I2, first one. Then it also oxidizes, guys, sulfide to sulfate. So many reactions are there. Remember. Then nitrites to nitrate. Okay, okay. Then, guys, sulfite टू सल्फेट. बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल्स हैं. देर आर सो मेनी एग्जाम्पल्स अंडर दिस. इज दैट क्लियर guys? Is that clear? Now, guys, this it also oxidizes phosphorus to phosphoric acid. It also oxidizes sulfur to H2SO4. Is this clear, guys? And H2S also get oxidized to elemental sulfur, where yellow purity is formed. This question is very, very important. It was asked, isn't it? Reduction potential means reducing power. Yes, beta. Yes, reducing power nahi. Reduction potential means tendency to get reduced. Okay, okay. Is that clear? If it is used as oxidizing agent, means what? It will oxidizes others and will get reduced itself. Agent matlab kya hota hai? Agent means which serves other. Agent matlab which serves, who serves other. Is that clear? Who serves other? Like a travel agent makes tickets for others. LIC agent makes LIC policies for others. Similarly, oxidizing agent oxidizes others and gets reduced itself. So tendency, reduction potential means tendency to get reduced. Is that clear? Is that clear? Just now you had seen that in acidic medium, its standard reduction potential is more. So it acts as a better oxidizing agent, means oxidizes others in a better way by reducing itself in a better way. Is this clear, Subhai Subramaniam? Because Subhai Subramaniam is asking reduction potential means reducing power. No. Reduction potential means reducing power to what? To itself. Tendency to get reduced. तो आप reducing power बोलोगे तो वो तो हमेशा दूसरों के लिए यूज होता है. Okay. Oxidizing power means tendency to oxidize other. Reducing power means tendency to reduce other. So that terminology will not be used. Reduction potential means tendency to get reduced. Oxidation potential means tendency to get oxidized itself. Clear, Subramaniam? Raj Alex. Hi beta. Welcome to the class. All those who are watching, do like the video. Do share it so that many of your friends can join it. Okay. All those who are watching, do like the video. Fatafat say like and subscribe. Faster. Like like the video, share the video to all your near and dear ones if you have not done so. Subha is saying, ma'am, it is all clear. आ गया समझ में? Well done. Then guys, then बहुत लंबी list है. As oxidizing agent, the list is very, very long. It also oxidizes. Yes, silver to Ag2O. Remember this Ag2O, Ag2O further gets oxidized to Ag, okay, which is black in color. It is black in color. This was also asked in NEET. Why does silver article becomes black in contact with what? Why does silver article becomes black in contact with ozone? Because guys, they get what? Silver article turns to what? Turns to Ag. That is the reason, because of the coating of that, they turns black. Okay. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? Is that clear? Okay. समझ में आया? चलो आगे बढ़ते. Let us go ahead. Okay, okay. Now, guys, bleaching action of ozone, again very, very important. Tarnishing. Yes, Subhai Subramaniam is saying, ma'am, tarnishing. Wonderful, wonderful, beta. All those who are watching it, do like the video, do share it, do share it. Okay, guys, let us have a look. Again, guys, this bleaching action is very, very important from yes, NCRT, from NEET, and also from JEE mains. मैच द कॉलम में ये वाली बात पूछी गई थी. If those who have solved the archive will come to know that. Okay, guys, all your eyes on the screen. Bleaching action of ozone. It bleaches, guys. Remember, it bleaches. It is very good oxidizing in nature. Therefore, it bleaches colored substance through oxidation. Therefore, it is a permanent. It creates a permanent bleaching, unlike SO2, which creates a temporary one. Is that clear? Permanent bleaching, because it is oxidizes the colored substance, isn't it? Where it is used to bleach, it is used to bleach, yeah, yes, it is used for bleaching oil, it is used for bleaching ivory, tusk, okay. It is also used to bleach flour starch, corn flour, yes, it is used to bleach that as well. Clear? Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? So many uses. Yes, yes, yes. It is also used to bleach the pulp and paper also. Don't worry. Now the other like importance is, guys, this creates causes ozonolysis. This is something which you all are very much familiar with. Ozonolysis. Yes, ozonolysis of unsaturated bond, isn't it? It is very very important. This is how, like, both the pi bond gets broken down, and this is how here OO and O bond is formed. This is called as ozonide, guys. Okay, where double bond gets ozonide. Temporary bleaching means, Subhai Subramaniam is asking me, what is the meaning of temporary bleaching? But I've today only I have taught that SO2 causes temporary bleaching. How come? SO2 plus water actually forms H2SO3 and two nascent hydrogen. Actually, directly wait, it forms H2SO4, and during that two nascent hydrogen are produced. Those nascent hydrogen, colored matter plus nascent hydrogen, get get oxidized, sorry, reduced, undergo reduction, and becomes colorless. This soon get back to this, because this is an equilibrium reaction, it soon get oxidized to colored matter. Therefore this bleaching is called as temporary bleaching. Is that clear, Subhai Subramaniam? And all those who are watching it, do like the video, do share it. Okay, beta, do share it. Is that clear, beta? Temporary bleaching. In order to watch it even in a detailed way, do watch the video on sulf do watch the video of mine on sulfide oxides of sulfur. Okay, so many reactions are there to explain it even in a better way. Don't worry. Okay, so it is, how is it clear? It is temporary. Why? Because it gets oxidized back to colored matter. Okay, all done. So guys, ozonolysis, let's have a look at ozonolysis. So this undergo a y cleavage. Why? Okay, just it is looking like a y. You can see it is, let me clear it. This gets cleaved like this. Isn't it looking like a y? Ulta y, opposite y. Yes, this is called as y cleavage. And after that, what happens? This double bond position, both the side, it is added up with oxygen like this. Okay, which is actually forming carbonyl compound. It can be aldehyde, it can be ketone. Okay, when it will be ketone, if CH3 groups are attached here like this, it will be ketone, guys. Okay, okay. And if hydrogen groups are attached over here, it will be forming aldehyde. If hydrogen, or it can be CH3 as well, then also it will be aldehyde. Is that clear? And what is the importance of it? Ozonolysis actually helps you, the ozonized product also helps you to find out the position of double bond or position of unsaturation in the organic compound. Isn't it? All done. आगे बढ़ते हैं. It is very 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 important, guys. These two are very very important. Now test for ozone, again very very important, guys. Every point of ozone is very 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 important. Okay, okay, guys. Sorry, white pen. Test for ozone. Basically, there are two tests, guys. There are two tests. In the first test, you can see this filter paper. You can see the filter paper over here. This is the filter paper which is half soaked in what? It is half soaked in alcoholic benzidine. Is that clear? It is half soaked in alcoholic benzidine. What is the formula of alcoholic benzidine? Two benzene ring are attached like this, further attached to NH2 group like this, and plus alcohol. So this is alcoholic benzidine. In presence of this turns brown. The filter paper turns brown. Okay, a filter paper which is soaked in alcoholic benzidine, it turns brown when that filter paper is brought in contact with ozone. Is that clear? And this will not happen, guys. This is not going to happen with H2O2. Remember, if the filter paper soaked in alcoholic benzidine is brought in contact with H2O2, it will not turn brown, will not turn brown. I hope it is clear. It is clear. Kalai, pH paper. Na beta na. This is simply a normal filter paper. Kalai, it's not a pH paper, beta. This is a normal filter paper. It is a normal filter paper, dear. Is that clear? It is soaked in alcoholic benzidine, and then when it will come in contact with ozone, it is going to turn down brown color like this. Is this clear, beta? Is this clear? All those who are watching it, do like the video, do share it, do subscribe the channel, and do press the bell icon. Now the second one, guys, second one is tailing of mercury. What is tailing of mercury? I just want to tell you, guys. A pure mercury looks like this, where you can see the meniscus, convex meniscus. Isn't it like this? Okay, this is the pure mercury. Very important test, guys. Very important. What will happen if ozone is mixed to that? Some of the mercury gets converted into Hg2O. Is that clear, guys? Mercury suboxide. This Hg2O is called as mercury suboxide. Clear? Along with production of oxygen. Now what is happening? This is not pure mercury only. This is mercury plus Hg2O. Because of that, guys, because of that, it cannot flow smoothly, as this mercury is mobile, or you can say it is freely moving. This mercury, pure mercury, is a mobile liquid. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? And when guys it comes in contact, yes, when it comes in contact with, when it comes in contact with ozone, due to the formation of Hg2O, it is not purely Hg, it is a mixture of Hg and Hg2O. And due to that, guys, what happens? What happens? It gets stick to the glass surface like this. It stick to the glass surface, which is actually called as tailing of mercury. Is that clear? Kale is asking, ma'am, what will happen with H2O2? Nothing will happen. It will remain the same white in color. Is that clear, beta? Kale, is that clear? All done. Now all your eyes on the screen. So tailing of mercury is clear, beta. Come on. All those who are watching, do like the video, do share the video, beta. So guys, very important. Now let us see the uses, application or uses. It has been asked under the heading, what are the application of ozone or the uses? They are saying, okay, you have to answer this way. All those who are watching it, do like the video. And if you have not subscribed the channel, let's crack NEET UG in English. Just subscribe it in order to crack NEET 2021. Together we are going to crack it, don't worry. So guys, uses of ozone or application of ozone, under that you had just seen that it is very very strong oxidizing in acidic medium, isn't it guys? And also in basic medium also it acts as what? Oxidizing. Therefore guys, therefore it has a tendency to disinfect. Okay, it is used as disinfectant and germicide. Okay, okay, is that clear? Remember guys, because of this reason it is used, also used to sterilize. ध्यान से सुनना. It is used to sterilize water and improving the atmosphere, improving the atmosphere of crowded crowded places. Very very important. It was asked in reasoning question. Charu meow, welcome to the class. How are you Charu? All those who are watching it, do like the video. यार इतनी मेहनत की है, बनता है like. Trust me, all those who are going to watch this video of mine, एक भी question, none of the single question is going to remain unattempted by you and unscored by you. Okay, guys, you are going to score full marks on it. Remember, if question on ozone is asked, you are going to score full marks over it. Trust me. And if you don't trust me, just check me by solving the question of either NCERT exercise which are based on ozone, and just solve the archives of NEET. Those who are watching for me preparing for means, you also do that. एक क्वेश्चन ना छूटेगा. Trust me on ozone, not even a single question is going to left. Remember, remember. Mohammad Ayub ji, welcome to the class. Welcome to the class. All those who are watching it, just subscribe the channel if you have not done so. Mohammad Ayub, hi beta, how are you? How are you? And welcome to the class, beta. Just like the video by that time, and I'm having a sip of water. All your eyes on the screen. So it is very clear, guys, because of the strong oxidizing agent. Okay, it is used as disinfectant and germicide, and due to which Muhammad Ayub is all fine. Fine, study is all fine, improving the atmosphere. Yes, yes. Subhai Subramaniam is saying that, ma'am, is it used to improve the atmosphere? Yes, basically at the crowded place. Okay, beta, is that clear? Is that clear? It is also used to sterilize the water. Why? Because it is acting as germicide or disinfectant, isn't it? All clear? All clear. Okay, guys. It is also used to detect the position of double bond. How come? How come? Yes. What do we call that? Ozonolysis. Just now we had studied. We had studied it, isn't it? It is also used for bleaching. Okay, bleaching what? Bleaching oil, bleaching ivory. Just now we had read the bleaching property. It is also used to bleach flour starch. Flour starch, isn't it? Flour starch. Clear? Clear, guys? सीधा यहाँ पे याद हो रही है, जा रहा है. Do like the video then. Do share it. Okay. Okay, guys. Yes, yes, yes. It is also used for what? It is also used for manufacturing artificial silk, because it is used to bleach the fabric also, permanent bleaching in fact. So artificial silk is what? Basically rayon. Artificial silk, which is actually called as rayon, guys, and that is all prepared from what? Wood pulp, isn't it? Paper pulp, wood pulp. Charu Mioy is asking, ozone is oxidizing agent, ma'am. Yes, beta, yes. कहाँ थी आप? आपने वीडियो लग रहा है बीच से ज्वाइन किया है. कोई बात नहीं बेटा. Continue watching this, and after this just download the video and watch the recorded one. Is that clear, Charu? I have covered it specially. how the oxidation takes place in acidic medium. What is the reaction? What is the SRP? What is the SRP? Do you remember? In acidic medium, the SRP is 2 point something, that is more, and in alkaline medium, it is 1 point something, that is less. Therefore, it is a strong oxidizing agent in acidic medium. Is that clear, Charu? Okay, all done. All those who are watching the video, do like it if you have not liked it. Do share it if you have not shared it. Do subscribe the channel if you have not done so. Do press the bell icon if you have not done so. Okay, guys, आगे बढ़ते हैं. It is also used to form synthetic camphor in manufacturing. Synthetic camphor, and also in manufacturing KMNO4. Yes, KMNO4 के manufacturing में भी this is also used. I hope it is all straight away gone here. Is this gone here, guys? If it is gone there straight away over here, do like the video. Now, guys, something very, very important, guys. Something very, very, very important. Trust me, so many times this particular thing has been asked. This has been asked in advance. This has been asked in mains. This has been asked in NEET. Also in board, in different framework. But this particular discussion, that is ozone versus oxygen, is going to help you a lot, guys. Trust me, it is going to help you. Siddharth Chaudhary ji, welcome back to the class. How are you? How are you? All those who are watching it, do like the video. So, guys, all your eyes on the screen. Ozone versus O2. Are you all ready to compare this? Come on, we are going to make this particular moment interactive. Okay, guys. What is the color of ozone? Do answer in the chat box. What is the color of ozone? All those who are watching it, do like it. Come on, blue color. Yes, it is blue. And oxygen is basically colorless, isn't it? Okay, guys, is that clear? Color wise, the first difference is all done. Then, guys, the second difference, this is the comparison with respect to color. All those who are watching it, do like the video. Okay, guys, now the second difference is magnetic properties. On the basis of magnetic property, come on, answer me in the chat box. Ozone and O2. O2 is what? O2 is what? Paramagnetic. Yes, two unpaired electron, isn't it? Whereas this ozone is diamagnetic, guys. It is diamagnetic. All clear? All clear, guys? Now, O3 is diamagnetic and O2 is paramagnetic. Well done. Kalai ke liye do like from my side. And all those who are watching it, okay, do like the video. So, guys, if you compare the magnetic property, which is diamagnetic? Ozone. And which is paramagnetic? Oxygen. All clear? Now the third comparison, guys. Third comparison, which is toxic nature. Yes. Which is toxic? Ozone is toxic. Why? That is the reason it is used as disinfectant, germicide, isn't it? Whereas oxygen is life saving gas. ये नहीं रहा तो हम ही ना रहेंगे, isn't it? Yes. Okay, guys. Fourth comparison is absorption. Very, very, very important. All those who are watching, do like. Guys, ozone is absorbed. O3 अभी बताया था. O3 T for what? T for what? Tell me. T for what? In the chat box. I am waiting for the answer in the chat box. Yes, turpentine. Okay, and this is stored in alkaline pyrogallol. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? Now the fifth one, stability. As you had seen that at a voltage of 10,000 to 20,000 volt, ozone is prepared. Ozone is prepared, isn't it, guys? Isn't it? Always remember, thermodynamically, thermodynamically, ozone is less stable, whereas this is more stable. Why, guys? Why? Because always remember, in all electrical equipment, ozone, because of the production of ozone, it gives a sharp smell. Always remember, it is associated with electrical equipment. All done? All done, guys. Now remember, ozone is a powerful what? Just now we had studied. It is a powerful what, guys? Powerful oxidizing agent. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? Is that clear? So all ozone versus oxygen is done. Done. आगे बढ़ें. Now, guys, now this is something very very important from NCERT, not only from NCERT but from NEET also, from means also, guys. This has been very very time asked. Ozone depletion layer. You know, guys, where this ozone layer is present? It is present just 10 class from the surface of earth, isn't it? Just here at stratosphere you can see, top of the troposphere. Okay, okay, this is the ozone layer, guys, and it absorbs all the harmful ultraviolet rays coming from sun. Well done, Kalai, well done. Mohammad Ayub, welcome to the class, beta. Well done, nice to see your answer. So nice to see your answer. He's saying stratosphere. Well done. All those who are watching, do like the video. So, guys, very, very important on the screen. Come on, have a look here. This red one is what? Ozone depletion. That is hole in the ozone, which is very, very harmful, guys. Very, very harmful. Okay. And how it is prepared, guys? How this, not prepared, I should say, how it is formed. Remember, guys, this is formed due to nitric oxide emission from supersonic jet. How does that react with ozone? O3 plus nitric oxide actually turns down N into NO2 and converts O3 into O2. So more and more ozone gets converted into O2 and more hole is converted into ozone layer. Okay, so you can say that these supersonic jets are environmental friendly है क्या? Not at all. They're not at all environmental friendly, isn't it, guys? Isn't it? Okay, so use तो बंद नहीं करना चाहिए, because again that is not friendly to the human development. But yes, we should try to minimize it at least, isn't it? Specifically it should be used, isn't it? Okay. Then the second one, chlorofluorocarbon used as aerosol. And these also going to do what, guys? These are also going to create a hole. How come? How come chlorofluorocarbon basically Cl2? One of the chlorofluorocarbon is Cl2, CF2. Okay, clear? On. This homolytic cleavage, this forms what, guys? This forms what? This forms chlorine free radical. Well done, guys. Nice to see your answer. Chlorine free radical like this. Okay. And this free radical further reacts with ozone like this, and converts ozone, sorry, and this converts ozone into O2. I hope it is all visible. Is that clear, guys? So this is how this CFC is coming from. All refrigerator, all coolant in fact, isn't it? It is used as a coolant. So from there it leaks and goes up because they are lighter, goes up and straight away creates hole in the ozone layer. So they are also not environment friendly, isn't it? So we should try to minimize their uses as much as possible in order to save the ozone layer. Okay, is that clear, guys? Is that clear? All those who are watching me, do like the video. Okay, guys, do share the video, and if you have not subscribed the channel so far, do so. If If you have not, press the bell icon, do so in order to have further notification. So thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you really found this video very very helpful. Again saying, if you have not subscribed it, subscribe the channel. Let's crack NEET Eugene English. Do so. Do so guys. Do press the bell icon and do apply this referral code of mine in order to take the subscription. So thank you once again for watching guys. All the very best. All the very best guys. Okay, Kalayar wants to ask some questions. Okay, tell me beta, what questions you are having? Come on, ask your questions. I'm here. Ask your questions, dear. Kalay, come along with your question. Come on. Come on, ask it. Or do one thing. Join me tomorrow at Unacademy platform and ask the question there. How is that? All done? Okay. Okay, if you are not able to write down the question here, do one thing. Write the question at an academy platform. I'll answer there. Okay, all done. Bye-bye, guys. Once again, a warm, very, 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 very warm good night. Good night. Good night भी तो warm होता है, isn't it? Yes, ठंड आने वाली है. We are going to have all mattresses and everything, isn't it? You ask questions from this session, ma'am. Acha, you want me to ask? No, beta, actually, this is YouTube classes, and already the duration of the class is too long, isn't it? No worries. I will definitely ask. I will definitely ask on at the Unacademy platform. Okay, beta. Okay, दोनों का system थोड़ा अलग होता है. Okay, here अगर question है तो पूरा quiz अलग से लिया जाता है. I will take that. Don't worry. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye for now. Good night. Good night. Cozy, cozy night. Bye bye. Good night.